Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is Jaynal Abdin, assistant teacher of National Ideal English version, day shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 2. Today's topic is, dear student, let's whiteboard that class 2 and subject Islam, topic true and false. That is T here, the true and F means false. T means true and F means false. And A and D here the mentions your books 16 and 17 A and D included. And lesson number 1 and SW number, lesson number 4 and SW number also 4, okay. And term half yearly, and it is my name and it is my mobile number. If you want to know any kinds of information, please call this number. Okay, see the whiteboard and today's topics, that is means true and false. Here identify true or false. Dear student, identify true or false. If will true, we'll write T, and if you want to be false, we'll write F. Okay. Number 1, Allah made many angels. Allah made many angels. It is true. And number 2, and they do not do as Allah says. They do not, that is means angels do not do as Allah says. False. Here angels, okay. Here they means refers and mention that is means angels, okay. And 3 number, angels cannot see us. Angels cannot see us. False. And 4 number, we cannot see the angels. True. 5 number, there are 200 angels. There are 200 angels. Here there are 200 angels, okay boys. Here mentions that is, here mention that there are 200 angels, okay. It is false, understand? It is false. It will be false, okay. Okay, D number, it is the included and contained in your books 17 number page, okay. Write true or false. Write true or false. Number 1, Adam and Hawa are our first prophets. Adam and Hawa alayhi salam are our first prophet. True or false? It is the true. 2 number, Allah does not want people to obey him. It is false, okay. 3 number, the first man Adam alayhi salam was not a prophet. False. And 4 number, Nuh alayhi salam was a prophet. True. And 5 number, prophet were not human beings. False. Okay, dear students, I am telling again today's topics, that is means number A, identify true or false. It is the 16th page in your book. Number A, Allah made many angels. True. Number 2, they, that is means angels don't do as Allah says. False. Okay, they don't do as Allah says. False. Okay, angels cannot see us. False. And 4 number, we cannot see the angels. True. And 5 number, there are 200 angels. False. Okay, there are 200 angels. False. And D, it is contained in your book and include here 17 number page. True or false. Here write true or false. A number, Adam and Hawa alayhi salam are our first prophet. True. And 2 number, Allah does not want people to obey him. False. 3 number, the first man Adam alayhi salam was not a prophet. False. And 4 number, Nuh alayhi salam was a prophet. 2. 5 number, prophet were not human beings. False. All the prophet are human beings, not angels. Okay. Okay. Today's SW number 4. That is mean we write D number. Okay. Pick out and identify who is true and false. Okay. Okay, dear students, I hope that I have understood today's topics clearly. Today's topics was A and B. A and B, that is means both are true or false. Okay, that is key point was the Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam was the first man in this world, and Nuh alayhi salam was prophet, and all prophet are human beings. And if you think that the prophet are man or angels, not, because man can understand easily this situation, and prophet all the situation know the for ummat. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have selected the prophet from a human being, not angels. Okay, as we know that angels see us, but we can't see angels. Okay, today's topics was A and D, and your SW's topics D number. Okay, your SW's topics D number, true or false. We have to write for 1 from 5, true or false, in your copy and religion copy. Okay, dear students, today you will write your SW and we will submit your SW proper time. Okay, see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.